Most of the year we're in our shop working, making things. IDS is the only opportunity that we have in Canada to be face-to-face with our customers.
We've met everyone from the big interior designer to the construction manager to architect. We've met actually every type of professional in this industry.
Key designers, architects, developers, but also very importantly for us, our consumer days. It really gives us a chance to talk directly to our end consumers, better understand their needs.
IDS is probably the most coveted, well-respected design show there really is in Canada.
It's the only place I can meet so many people that are interested in design in one weekend.
We travel a lot to different fairs around the world, and what's really important, again, about this fair in particular is how things are brought into the community when you get to touch, see, experience things as they're supposed to be experienced.
I mean, in Canada, IDS is our only platform for Caesarstone in a way that can be as experiential, as immersive, and as thought-provoking as it is.
We've had a really overwhelmingly positive media response. We've had opportunities and interviews with CBC.
CP24 come in and do coverage on the spaces as well.
The Star actually published it a little bit as well. So there's a lot of sort of engagement. I think we grew like 500 in one day, followers.
I think IDS really stands out in terms of design shows because they're always showcasing something that feels unique and new.
It offers us good visibility. We can build and show what we can do.
We get to be right in front of our target market.
It really just provides us a platform that we just couldn't replicate anywhere else.